Are you feeling stressed out about planning your next vacation? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Planning a vacation should be an exciting and enjoyable experience, but we all know it can quickly become overwhelming. In this video, we'll share 7 expert tips to help you master a relaxing getaway. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. 1. Begin early. Embarking on a stress-free vacation requires early planning. Here's a quick guide. Research and reserve, look into activities, set deadlines for reservations, and book accommodations early for special deals. Budget, create a budget, start saving, and ensure sufficient funds to enjoy your vacation without financial worries. Segmented planning, break down your vacation into tasks, focusing on each aspect individually. Create lists for activities to stay organized and stress-free. 2. Research your destination. For a stress-free vacation, concise destination research is key. Customs, understand local etiquette to avoid cultural misunderstandings. Laws, be aware of local regulations for a safe stay. Transport, research transportation options and safe routes. Attractions, make a short list of popular local spots and recommended dining. This ensures a more immersive and enjoyable trip, uncovering hidden gems like the cultural side of Turks and Caicos beyond its beaches. 3. Set a budget. A well-planned budget is crucial for a stress-free holiday. Define your vacation style, decide on luxury and activity level. Set realistic expectations to avoid overspending. Classify budget, divide expenses into flights, accommodation, meals and activities. Set spending limits to stay on track. Emergency fund, set aside funds for unforeseen expenses such as extra nights or lost items. You can ensure a successful and trouble-free journey by sticking to your budget. 4. Establish a plan. Planning a stress-free vacation involves careful consideration. Choose your destination, decide on the type of vacation, city adventure or beach retreat. Confirm your location and duration of stay to find suitable accommodations. Lodging options, explore various lodging options based on your preferences and budget. Read reviews for insights and to avoid unexpected issues. Activities and attractions, research and create a list of must-visit places and activities. A well-thought-out plan ensures a memorable, hassle-free vacation. 5. Book accommodations. Securing accommodation for your trip involves these key steps. Define your preference, decide on a luxurious hotel or budget-friendly option based on your travel style and budget. Ensure security measures are in place. Check reviews, read reviews for insights into location, safety, and amenities. Learn from past travelers to set realistic expectations. Compare costs, consider the cost and amenities of different options. Compare prices and take advantage of early booking or special offers for savings. This ensures a stress-free and budget-friendly stay. 6. Investigate transportation. When planning transportation, choose wisely, select between vehicles, buses, trains, or airplanes based on your destination and budget. Cost-effective options, consider eco-friendly and budget-friendly choices like buses or trains over car rentals. Budget-friendly vehicles, compare prices for rentals, including additional services like GPS or roadside assistance, for a reliable and economical choice. 7. Prepare your phone. To ensure your smartphone is travel-ready. Backup data, safeguard critical files using external storage and disable unnecessary services for battery preservation. Unlock and eSIM, unlock your phone and ensure eSIM compatibility for local network connection. Research coverage options or consider purchasing a local SIM card. Protective gear, invest in a protective case or screen protector to prevent damage during your travels. A small investment can save you from potential costly mishaps. Thanks for watching our video on mastering a stress-free vacation. We hope these tips will help you plan an unforgettable getaway. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Happy travels!